Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set default styles in Mailchimp step by step. This is extremely useful if you want to maintain consistent branding across all your email campaigns without manually adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing every single time. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts to complete your setup. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Campaigns. This is where you manage all of your email marketing campaigns. From here, you can either select an existing campaign or create a new one. For this tutorial, you can open an existing campaign, since the option to set default styles is inside the email editor. Next, click on Email Templates. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your needs. Once you've selected a template, click Create Email. You'll now be taken to the email setup page, where you can choose your audience, write your subject line, and schedule the email. On the right-hand side, click on Edit Design to open the full email editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the left navigation panel and find the Style tab. Go ahead and click on it. This section gives you control over your email's default appearance. Inside the Style tab, you can set your default background color, adjust margins and spacing, customize text styles, including font, size, and color, choose default link colors, customize button styles, shapes, and colors. When you make changes here, they automatically apply across your email design. This helps you create a cohesive and professional look that matches your brand identity. The best part is that once these default settings are configured, you won't need to repeat the process every time you create a new campaign. It saves time and keeps your branding consistent. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save and Exit in the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully set default styles in Mailchimp, ensuring all your future emails maintain a consistent and professional appearance. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.